नमस्कार students. This is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing, the Department of Science and Technology, under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. The students, in previous class, we discussed about implicit function as well as transformation of trigonometrical functions. Today, the topic of my discussion, please note down, the topic of my discussion is function of a function. Sorry, the topic of my today's discussion is differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Means, please note down topic, differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Means, if I ask you, you can note as example, if I ask you that find the differentiation of sin x, find the differentiation of sin x with respect to x. Question is what? Question is that we have to find differentiation of sin x with respect to x. This is first question. Here sin x is one function and x is, no, please revise the question. Find the differentiation of sin x with respect to cos x. This is the question. Next question is, find the differentiation of log x with respect to x square. I have given you two examples. In first example, you have to find differentiation of sin x with respect to cos x. In another example, you have to find differentiation of log x, with respect to x square. So generally you are used to the facts or to the problems like that. Find the differentiation of sin x with respect to x, because sin is the function of x. Find the differentiation of tan x with respect to x. Find the differentiation of x square with respect to x. Here we have to find differentiation of a function with respect to another function. I am giving you a practical example. Generally, it is decent that a lion kills a man. This is established fact that lion can kill a man. A snake can take life of a man. But A man is taking life of a man. Man, Ramesh is a tall man and Mohan is a comparatively less taller man. One is killing another. So this is what this is happening here. You can say that why you have taken this in a very, you can say, non-interesting example. This is the reality. This is the fact that society has started differentiation with respect to society. Someone is saying, he's not a man, he's a IAS. Someone is saying, no, he's not a he's not a man, he's a professor. Someone is saying, yes, he's not a man. Firstly, he's an engineer. He's an engineer. He's an engineer. So the situation practically happens that we have to find differentiation of a function with respect to another function. The life of a living body is taken by a living body. Function of a function. Differentiation means destroy, destruction. Destruction to destroy. Destroy of something, destruction of something with the like thing of something. This is the meaning of differentiation of a function with respect to another function. If you allow me, then I would like to see. Pranam sir. Yes. अच्छा sir. ठीक sir. ठीक sir. जी जी. ठीक sir. ठीक. जी जी. कुंदन. जी जी जी. ठीक. नहीं अभी नहीं है सर, मतलब आना आ जाना चाहिए. अच्छा सर, हम लोग का भी आ जाएगा, जल्दी ही आ जाएगा. मतलब एक सप्ताह में जनरली आ जाता है. वो एक्चुअली अब कैलकुलेट कर रहा होगा सर, हम लोग का फाइनल मतलब. अच्छा. ठीक सर. नहीं, इजी चेयर बहुत अच्छा है, इसके पैरेलल में कोई दूसरा नहीं. Yes, sorry for interruption. I was discussing about differentiation of a function with respect to another function. सुनो कुंदन सर, you go and consult to advisor sir with two other doctors of Ayurveda. सुन लिया क्या? जाना है नीचे ऑफिस में लेके दोनों को. दो आयुर्वेद के आपके और डॉक्टर है ना यहाँ? हाँ तुरंत. So I'm discussing about the, sorry for interruption. I'm extremely sorry that due to some administrative task, I deviated myself from the main. One. So I'm repeating again, we are finding differentiation of a function with respect to another function. So I'm asking you that we have to find differentiation of sin x with respect to cos x, and we have, you may be asked to that find the differentiation of log x with respect to tan x. So if you are asked to do like that, in that circumstance, what you have to do? You have to consider that, please note down, first question I am going to solve. Find the differentiation of sin x with respect to cos x. So let u is equal to sin x. What? U is equal to sin x. U is equal to sin x. And v is equal to cos x. Then what you have to find? You have to find du by dx. What? Du by dv. Du by dv. What you have to find? You have to find differentiation of u with respect to v. Means differentiation of a function with respect to another function, not dy by dx. You have to find du by dx, differentiation of u with respect to v. So to find this, the value of du by dx, what you have to do? You have to find du by dx, means differentiate u is equal to sin x. Then this will give you du by dx is equal to differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x. Again you have to find differentiation of what? V is equal to cos x. This will give you dv by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. dv by dx of cos x is equal to differentiation of cos x, means is equal to minus sin x. So our basic target is what? Our basic target is to find du by dx. So you can write here du by dx is equal to du by dx is equal to, sorry, du by dv. du by dv is equal to, you may write du by dx upon dv by dx, and put this value. For the sake of convenience of your study, I would like to share some PDF of differentiation of a function with respect to a function, the derivative of a function. This is the study material. You are advised to go through the numerical aspect. This formula M means differentiation, the function. You should note down these all formulae, and in case of any confusion, you can ask me. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version of Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. In case of any problem, you can write your comment in the comment box, and I promise that I will resolve that. And start initially this differentiation. You can use another study material also. This is just for your assistance. And you have to find the differentiation of a function with respect to the another function. Thank you very much for listening me. Thanks.